Hello everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle. A second puzzle is a 2-star Sudoku, not in the additional of the today's newspaper. No, it's in the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, December the 4th, 2021, because today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. The first one I've already solved, the letter Sudoku. Now it's time for the 2-star Sudoku. The third one will be a tectonic with 1 star. But first, this will be a number 3784. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this second row, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? The 6 in this column, the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Well, we have in this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, or there. We see here another 6, no 6 here, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, and last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. 2. Okay. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Let me see. 6, 6. We have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. Think. How about 1. Come on, come on, come on. We have a pair. 3 and a 6 in the first row. 3 and a 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. That means 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. 5, 9, 7, 5. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So in the row between the second row, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Alright. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in the middle row. So no 5 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Alright. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 5. How about? Let me see. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, Alright. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 3. And all the 6s are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7. And look, we have a pair here, 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. That means 1 box left in the second column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 8, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 3. 7 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 5. Finished in 12 minutes. All right. Great. 2 stars Sudoku. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle. A tectonic with 1 star it will be. So see you then. Bye-bye for now.